Hi everyone! Welcome to Edu On Air Season 7! My name is Miss Jenny! I'm so happy to see everyone here. But do you know why I'm here? I'm here to tell you about our kits for our class. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We use our Learning Fun kit, one per each class. So, just take one out when the teachers tell the students to do so that the kids can learn how to wait and have more fun with the teachers during class. And let's not forget our welcome kit. It's Bebe House. We'll learn about today's date and how do you feel? How do you feel? Our feelings every day with the teachers. So please prepare before class every day. Is everyone ready to have fun with the teachers? Yeah! See you soon! Bye-bye!